Welcome to FrontPrep. Today we will be solving the question of FizzBuzz. This is perhaps the most common interview question, usually asked in technical phone screen and as part of multiple choice question interviews. So we'll read the prompt and then we will start coding it. So let's look at the prompt. It says write a function named FizzBuzz in JavaScript that takes a number as an argument and returns fizz if the number is divisible by 3, buzz if it is divisible by 5, and fizz buzz if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Otherwise, it should return the number itself. So how I would want to solve it is I would like to convert the requirements into the JavaScript code. It is like translating from one language to another language. Here we will be translating these requirements into JavaScript code. So we will start coding it. So we have this function called FizzBuzz where we are getting n as a parameter. Says if n is multiple of 3, it should return fizz. So the way we check multiple in JavaScript is using modulo operator. So what we would do is modulo 3 is equal to 0. If it is true, then we will return the string fizz. So you can see that on line number 22, we have written console log FizzBuzz where we are passing argument of 3. So for this, it has started to print fizz. That means our code is working fine. Next requirement says if n is a multiple of 5, it should return buzz. So what I would do is I would copy this code and here instead of 3, I will convert it into 5 and update the string into buzz. Buzz is also getting printed correctly. Next, if n is a multiple of both 3 and 5, it should return FizzBuzz. So what I would do here is n should be multiple of both 3 and 5. So here I have updated my if condition to check if n is multiple of both 3 and 5, it should return FizzBuzz. But you will see there is one catch here. Even though our if condition is correct, fizz for the third console log, the reason being is that it is being catch on the first condition and we are not even moving, our code is not even moving after it. So what we could do is we could lift this condition up to the top and now you will see that it is printing fizz buzz and fizz buzz in correct order as expected. And last requirement is if n is if otherwise it should return number n. So we could say return n. So yeah, this is working fine. Now the question is if I'm happy with this solution. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this solution, but there is one improvement which I can make. I can make this code more conventional by using else if condition. This way the code becomes more conventional. However, overall, I'm pretty happy with the solution because the solution is very verbose. And I think the goal of any code should be that if anyone else, any of my colleague at office or my friend look at this code, he should be able to understand this code even without requirements. So I think this solution is pretty much doing that. However, you will see on code challenges websites like Codeverse or LeetCode, you will see that uh, there is a solution section wherein the people submit their solution and you will see the solutions are very short. They are very clever, right? If you will look at that, you might also get imposter syndrome that are they more intelligent? Because the way they write their code is very short, very clever, right? However, I think that is not the case. Our solution, should be verbose. It should be able to explain itself, and our goal is to write a production ready code, right? So I think I'm fairly happy with this solution, and this is what I would submit in an interview. And if interviewer asked me to explain it, I would give the same reasoning which I've given to you. Thank you very much.